Chronic stress can quietly place ongoing strain on your body long before serious symptoms appear. Let's see if you can recognize the warning signs before stress begins to affect how you feel day to day. Which symptom is most commonly linked to chronic stress affecting digestion? A. Acid reflux. B. Bloating. C. Constipation. D. All of the above. Most adults treat these separately, but the body doesn't work that way. Stress can interfere with normal gut function in multiple ways for many people. Stress may influence gut bacteria, slow digestion, and contribute to increased inflammation over time. Body area gains fat most easily when cortisol stays high. A. Arms. B. Thighs. C. Belly. D. Face. This happens even without overeating or lifestyle changes. Belly fat is often associated with cortisol imbalance, especially when stress remains high for long periods. High cortisol can promote fat storage, especially around the midsection and near vital organs, in some individuals. What cognitive ability is usually affected first by long-term stress? A. Creativity. B. Reaction speed. C. Memory. D. Intelligence. Think about daily mistakes and mental fog. Memory can be one of the first abilities people notice changing when stress remains high for a long time. Chronic stress has been linked in research with changes in brain regions involved in memory over time. Poor sleep and stress create which dangerous cycle? A. Faster aging. B. Hormonal imbalance. C. Immune suppression. D. All of the above. This cycle traps millions of adults every night. Correct answer: D. Each problem worsens the others. Stress disrupts sleep, and poor sleep amplifies stress hormones. Which stress-related factor is most strongly linked to shorter lifespan? A. Occasional anxiety. B. Work pressure. C. Chronic loneliness. D. Busy schedules. This one is underestimated but extremely powerful. Chronic loneliness is associated in studies with a higher risk of health problems and may be linked to markers of faster aging. Loneliness has been associated with higher levels of inflammation and an increased risk of earlier death in some research. If these questions felt uncomfortably accurate, you're not alone. Understanding stress is one of the biggest health advantages today. Subscribe for daily health quizzes and support your future self with better awareness and small, realistic changes. For personal health decisions, please consult your healthcare provider.